I don't mind. Hello, Papa. All right. Come. Come on. Good job. All right, so I want you to be a good girl at school today, as always, right? Good. And remember that you should always be kind to your friends and your teacher, right? Yes. And again, use your pleasantries. You say good morning, you say please, you say thank you, and you say excuse me when it's necessary, right? Good. Right. Pull up and good job. All right, sit up. Right. Look at me. All right. Come. Hold on, wrong way, wrong way, wrong way, baby. Right, this way. Come. Okay, good job. Come. Stand up. Yeah, let me so call if you're back again, you know. You're weird, too. All right. Sit down now. Please.
Mommy, I cannot go to school. It's raining.
What do you mean, Haley? You're not going to get wet in the rain, Mommy. I don't want to miss school. You're not going to get wet. I'm going to take you to school. We're going to use the umbrella. We're going to go downstairs and we're going to go in the car and you go to school. Okay, mommy? Come, let's go. You're going to school. You're not going to get wet, my baby.
Don't move, man. Come here, man. We get a search. Search him then. What is it? I say you want to live. You don't have respect for police. This way I go on there say license.
Yeah, man.
So let me see some papers now, man.
All right, you see the one with the lot number up on my yard. And see the next one right here, so. So if you want, me can go up on my yard.
Step aside there, man. So come over here, sir. Come over here, sir. Stand up over here. Just stand up over here, sir.
So, oh yeah, so.
Just stand up over here, sir, brother.
Virgin, so how me right and you
Come out of my face, man. Come out of my face.
Come out of your what?
Brother. First thing first, this I said July 3, 2023. This expire, you know. So you know, no chat, I say, you know.
23. 23.
2023, that
At
expire.
2023, me get it.
Listen to me now.
Look, no, really, look on it. At 2023, me get it.
That said 2023, look on it.
At 2023, me get it.
I think you're right in a Sarge. I'm not gonna lie to you.
Listen to me, man. You see? The government say if you're supposed to plant about 23, right? And that look like I'm more than 23.
5-3.
5-3.
Yeah.
And that I'm more than 5-3. So you have to go do something.
As you saying, her some over there, so you know.
But you're greedy, man. Eh? You get the chance to plant 5 tree, you plant over, this is like over 100 and hard tree.
I have a license, you know. I have a license to do it. I also have a license to sell too.
Eh?
Yeah. So, me not really understand. Wag. And that's why I can't have a ganja on this too.
Listen to me, man. We get a call, say, contrabands over here. And guns. We get a call, say, guns over here. Too. So when at night time, we don't have bus up shot about the place. But let me tell you this. You see, any day you don't feel like saying, hoodlums want running and make me have a buck one now, no? At this I go talk. Yeah? Because sometimes you don't understand yourself, you know. You don't get out of hand, boy. Yeah. And I'm telling you this. Any day me get a report say nothing I go around here, you know, man. So when me I come, you ever hear about Satan yet? You hear about Satan? You don't know his name, so don't it? Look in my face and my name, so. Oh.
So you don't know weed.
Yeah, man, you want that's good.
Come on.
You want to pass it, man.
Where come, Sarge?
Oh. So a tangy that mixed with purple years, you know.
Some like a calling here, one of these days, it gets one next batch. You know.
Yeah, man, that's nothing, man. You're a good boy, you know. Yeah. Let's see if your boss a corruption, man.
No worries, yourself, man. Make me a hand, man.
All right.
No worries, sir. May I come, Sarge? But there are no money for you.
Next time you call me.
All right.
All right.
right, take off your shoes, baby. Take off your shoes. Come. Start, come. Oh, Jesus, thank you, Lord. Oh, God. Tired, mommy? Come here. Oh. How was your day at school today?
It was great.
Awesome. What's this? Whoa. Oh. All right. What did teacher say today?
We learned about numbers.
Oh, you learned about numbers? What numbers did you guys do today?
Like 1 to 10.
Oh, awesome. So you can count from 1 to 10 for me now, right?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Good job. High five. All right. Let me check your bag to see if you get homework. And then we're going to go through what you did today, okay?
Yeah.
Awesome. I love it when our teacher reads short stories to us. So who is this, Kelly?
The teacher.
And these are the children?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see. Hey, honey, what's up?
Hey, darling, how are you?
I'm good. I just brought home Kelly from school. I was looking through her book.
Yeah, how is she doing?
She's good. She said she learned about numbers today. Yes, and I saw where they did writing too. I was going to go through it with her and then check to see if she get any homework.
All right, let me talk to her a little bit.
Okay, honey.
Daddy?
Yeah, baby.
Hi, mommy.
You're
How are
okay?
you?
I'm fine.
You're fine.
Yeah.
You know Daddy love you.
And I love you too, Daddy.
All right, listen up. I was supposed to let me talk about to you, mom.
Hey, babe, I'm here.
Yeah, I was supposed to come down here, but because me still undercover for the mission the two me can't come down. So as soon as I come out for the mission, then I'll come down here.
Again? So is that going to be another week?
Me know say you really want to see me, and I really want to see you to base, but I just want next 3 more months then tell me I forgot there or something.
What?
Yeah. So, no.
So you don't expect me to be lonely? I'm lonely during the daytime when Kelly gone to school, you know? I understand your work and everything, but I mean, what do I do? Even can you even when I get a day off or say you can't even just rush down even for a few hours or so? 3 months is a long
I
way.
must be there, and by the time I come down for a few hours, you know, babes, that now I'm make no sense, man. Me too come, man. Me know say you miss me, you know. And me miss you too. Me too come, man.
Daddy,
Yes, mommy?
I got a balloon from school.
Oh, congratulations. All right, mommy, so me I go run now. Yeah, me talk to you.
Okay.
Tell mommy I love her.
Honey, listen, and
I love you.
Oh no, when I follow me, I go. When I see me, I go somewhere. When I sit down, man, me, I look for no father.
I
okay.
gotta run, baby. I'll call you later, all right?
All right, later. Love you too.
Yeah.
Omar!
Yes, soup. Yes.
Omar!
Yes. Yes, soup.
You know, hear me, I call you.
Soup. Sorry about that, man. Me I go come in a little bit late, man. I chew traffic up on the road, man.
Man, another 3 months, Kelly.
I miss Daddy too.
I know, baby. And I miss him too. So much. But it's alright. I'm here for you, okay, mommy?
Okay.
Oh. Alright, come let's go inside the room.
All right.
Uno go back go sit down, me talk to no father.
Yeah. Go on in. My mommy will talk.
Uno go and go sit down.
Where say, babes?
Well, you know, say, me I call you how long and you not answer, but me tell you what me I tell you now. You pay them school fee due, what you do?
No, you know, man. I tell my supervisor for Wednesday, want some like extra money, want the money and you know. You see me? It raise up here. What they say them give me, when I get it yet. And then me I do too much extra night shift on this.
But that can't work.
If I try rent out the car, then I babes and try do something. Man.
Maybe we have to go do that. Cause I don't feel alone pick me.
I don't know, man.
So
The thing is, you know, cause why super car me bought, you know. He might tell me say, me have to go to Westmoreland. Go spend 3 weeks down there. Plus me have court down at Westmoreland too.
Westmoreland again?
Yeah.
No. Something or something.
What for you now, babes? Babes, look, I love you. You're the only person me live with. Yes, me I said, don't worry yourself, man. You're Westmoreland, you know, man. Let's say finish cook.
Yes, baby, come on, we're going to have dinner. Come on, kids, we're going to have dinner. Come on.
Come on, my princess!
Wow. What happened? The car just shut off like that. Oh, Jesus.
The gas.
I think it's the gas, Kelly. No, I have gas. It's not turning on.
The gas is finished.
It's not gas, Kelly. I have gas.
I told you.
I have gas, mommy.
It needs gas.
It's not turning on, gosh. And it's in the middle of the road.
Is that different? Doesn't look like the gas is like that.
It's
And we're in the middle of the road.
We're in the middle of the road, Haley, and the car starts. It's not turning on. I don't know what is wrong with it. I have gas. Why is it not starting?
No, sort out that system.
Yeah.
So Johnny, you could tell me say if fire burn out. Jesus. No, we're not there. I'm bored, my boss. You know, easy. You know? We're not dealing them things, my boss. I'm bored. I wish care that.
You know, it look like some food she wants still, you know, I don't know how.
So you know, accept if I food she want. You afraid? Accept if I food she want, you afraid? All right, I'm find out. Hello, nice lady.
Hi.
How are you? All is well? Hello.
No,
What happened?
I don't know. Me break down.
Oh, I break your weight down.
Yes.
Okay.
Like me just a drive come and the car just stop.
Oh my gosh. So you need a mechanic then, because I don't know nothing about car and I'm not driving.
But yeah, man, you probably know something, like can see something.
So, all right.
And I know it's not
right.
gas.
So, I do, but let me see what I go on in that bonnet then. Let me see what as I say, I'm not a mechanic, you know, but so what happened? Why do now start?
Yes, it just kicked one time just now, and then it not turn over.
Try again, man.
It not turn over.
Nah, turn over.
No.
Johnny. Johnny. Nothing more you mean deficit. All right. All right.
It's for real.
Oh, there's something that will hold up the bonnet. Oh, see it there.
God, I hope you can fix it.
Ah, boy. Probably. But it's battery terminal slack, man. Hold on there. Ah, slack, man. See it all come after. Show you again, let me see.
Okay.
Cause probably at this, you know.
That is amazing.
I tell you, man. Know about them things, man.
Oh.
I bought the battery terminal I need, miss.
Thank you so much.
Know about them things, man.
Oh my God.
You that, man.
What happened?
You need one battery.
The battery.
Well, I'm sure you lock it down. Up me back, I'm show you something. You need one battery terminal. Up in.
Kelly, I'm coming, mommy, baby.
Let me show you. Yeah, so you see this?
Yeah.
It's worn out, you see it? So you're gonna need one new terminal.
Oh, cause me just buy a battery, you know.
Yeah, but I see the battery for you, know. But you know, if you're not tight, you know, if you're not tight, though, you're not gonna start.
Okay.
You understand? So try to see if I can replace this. I'm tell you something, I'm a big mechanic, man.
You said you didn't know anything about cars.
You sure? Alright, anyway, let me lock it down now.
Okay. Thank you so much. What's your name?
Welcome, Ricardo.
Ricardo. I remember your name.
Yeah, man.
This is where you work?
Yeah, man, right over there. We run a restaurant over here, you know?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, man, we cook good food over here too, you know?
Oh, what you have now?
We have curry goat. All the curry goat we have there.
You know, eat curry goat.
Curry goat. That's okay, that's okay. So,
But I probably can stop by another time.
yeah, man, sure. Yeah, man.
Ricardo, I remember
We
you.
normally, on a Friday we do jerk chicken. And a lot of stuff on a Friday. You can
Oh,
pass
so
it.
you're the main chef?
And I'm the chef, you know, I just catch up the fire and them thing there. I work with the chef still, but I learn the work still. Hold on. I didn't get your name, you know. All I like with you, I talk, I'm gonna get your name. Shauna. Very nice name.
So you probably can ring my phone so I can know your number.
Oh, yeah.
When I come, I can call you and I have stuff.
Sure. Sure. Let's put your number here. Shauna,
Yeah.
I like it here.
Thanks.
It's very
All right, so at least it started. I got
yeah, man.
try to get
And
it.
anytime,
The battery terminal.
anything at all, happen to it, you can call me.
You know, you're full of fun, Ricardo. You're full of fun. But thanks. All right, big up yourself.
Anytime.
All right.
All right. Yeah. All right, later. Yeah, I joke can tell you say that I'm a buck you. Remember me tell you that.
Thank you.
Welcome.
I don't really drink it.
Mm.
Nope, and I don't want to get drunk. I have to drive home.
Nah, I gotta make you get drunk, man. I have nothing. Me can drive home. I soon get my license, you know.
You remember the first day you told me you know nothing about cars. But I'm coming over here for the first time. It's actually nice. It's really cool.
Man, it's really nice.
And it's quiet.
Yeah, man. I've been here one time before.
Really?
Yeah,
You sure is one?
yeah, man.
My instinct tells
I'll
me
be
you've been
honest.
here on a regular.
Hmm?
My instinct tells me you've been here on a regular.
No, but I hide it. You see it? You may be honest to you a while ago until I say, I came here before. Once. I could hide it, you know. And I say, watch out, place up. Whatever, and you know what I mean?
Red striped sorrel beer. You know, me literally I drink this for the first time. I usually like the lemon one, but I guess people tend to always want to sell the sorrel for some reason.
I drink them light something that Magnum I might drink.
So, as you said, you don't have a girl,
Not at the moment.
and I didn't want to ask, why would someone as nice as you be single?
Seriously?
It's okay, you don't have to
So
tell
I'm
me.
explain that.
No, it's fine. It's fine. At least we're out. I'm happy that we're out because my husband, he is definitely away for so long. And you know, sometimes I'm in the house, I'm bored. I really want to go somewhere when Katie gone to school. I mean, I'm there by myself, and my friend, she works, you know. Yeah.
That's why you're here now.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So for the time being, I'm happy that I'm out until I go back to work.
You know, I never know say I have, hold on, I never know say I have brown eyes, you know.
Hey, don't look too deep in my eyes, you'll fall in love.
Yeah. We never fall in love yet, man. We always stand in love.
You will fall in love with me, I'm telling you that.
Serious? What you say to me? I try not to, you know, but
You
things
know,
can happen.
funny enough,
Nah, I go say nah.
the first time when I met my husband,
Mm-hmm.
like he was like, no, you know, every king deserve a queen. Every king deserve a queen, and you're my queen, you know. You're my queen, looking at my eyes.
Done sound like an artist.
And he was like looking at my eyes, and I mean, I said, I'm not going to look in your eyes, because if you look in my eyes, you will definitely fall in love.
Yeah.
And so say, so done. Yeah. Yeah, he got captivated.
Boy, I tell you, I try my best not to focus on your eyes then. Because, boy, I
But
tell
my
you.
personality normally allows people to jump to me.
Yeah, I know.
You know?
Mhm.
You can see through that.
You know. From the very first day. Yeah.
Oh, let me initially say thank you.
Yeah. Don't tell us that at the least. I know I'm not going to be honest to you. I talk all along and I never tell you. You know, so some food me want to sell you though. Like, seriously. Because I ask Kim, I ask her which car that was, and Kim tell me, say she don't know.
Yeah.
So that's why.
I was there looking all around over the place like nobody, I didn't see anybody, and but you know, I saw the girl but I was like, she can't help me. She
Boy.
definitely can't help me.
So you saw me and you said, boy, that can help me.
You
You
know,
know.
let me see, it was when you came over.
You find out I'm a big mechanic now. Alright, it's alright.
Next thing you're going to say you're a plumber, right?
Everything.
That's all right, sure, didn't it?
Mm-hmm. All trade.
I like your vibes, Ricardo. I like your vibes. In a long, gosh,
Okay, so I'm sure man. Yo.
me never know say I want vibrating master.
I can't stay there. You told me look up. Yeah, nice to meet you.
No, I know what I underestimate about. You power up.
Pop.
A joke.
Well, my power up, yes, I must have 7 magnum, I just drink, you know. So I must power up. Yeah, tea, man.
Sure, turn on the fan.
Can't put AC in it.
Turn on the fan if one can. The fan's supposed to work.
What's that?
Gosh.
Yeah, just stop.
The song is my favorite song. I don't really like your song.
You say that in place, eh?
Nope.
Come on, with me, though.
Yeah, that's the first time.
What are you doing here?
You brought me here, Ricardo. That's funny.
Everything funny. Why for that one? Everything I talk about funny, eh? Go now, General.
Hello. You want to change the guy now?
She do that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm coming now.
What is good?
Come in, baby. The company inside.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Great.
Respect you, sir.
You got yourself, man.
Cool.
Well, I'm a virgin that in number 11.
Oh, wonder what the score.
Check out all going on. I'll find out all going on. Up me there. What? Brother, can't believe stop. Yo, when is some over, man? Yo, what the hell? I hear that
Listen to me, man. That's when you don't have a man, you can't deal with some little hoodlums. Some of them, man, have some upcoming hoodlums. Are you so?
Yes, right over here. Sir.
Come on, so you don't really care people on the bicycle, you know. A government bicycle, you know, so oh, man, you mash up government property, man. I am this?
Yeah, see me. See me.
Boy. Listen to me. Why you beat up you man for?
Me, Mr. No.
Eh?
No, man.
You man a tell us say him left.
No.
What you mean no?
Me and you left?
You will left. Me and you never there in the first place.
Boy, the woman say him left. And you did a beat up the woman, eh?
How you call beat up? Two
Wait.
box full of kick down.
So where you put your hand palm up for?
No,
Are you picnic?
No, and that's what I mean. Watch it now.
Lock him up then.
Mr. Hold on, Mr. Officer. Hold on. Watch out.
The right.
I'm allergic to silver. Hold on.
All your hand bigger than the handcuff.
Come on.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah, me.
Why?
Eh? A woman strength to have. Go up on your belly.
Yes, what I did, black man, so.
A woman strength to have.
I resist. No, I'm not done. Look at my back. Look like we're going to have car more officer again. No, I'm not going to more body. Election. It's an officer. You know, if you need me, so.
That your
Wait, no.
your own part. Your work list. Your own part. That team forget. Work list, boy. That you forget. Work list.
Yo, stop asking man for money, man. Get up.
Carry mode. Can't go put the way in Milan. Carry mode. You're good for nothing. Come out. Come outside, please. Come out, man. I'm attacking you after you look tired already. Come out.
Go on.
My G. Big up. I'm young for that. I'm just roll like my general said, you see?
Yeah.
I'm Auntie this.
Oh, yeah, auntie.
Auntie G. Where else Auntie G? How much of you now? We are when ready.
Me see them really have back on me, yeah. Put a boy, I extract some carrots just now, you know.
How much of you?
Straight to the fridge, freeze and I put it, you know. You see why me ready for go lie down tonight? You see me buy back. I'll give you my money for going down.
Somebody look forward to it, but some of the people live everywhere. So that.
Me say me name remember to tell you something, come here.
Nice people, them said they still here.
They're nice, you know.
All right. You can't say you're not feel welcome, because my mother give you a big welcome out here.
Yeah, auntie, I'll follow.
See you, man. Be a nice place. Sorry about that. Yeah.
You want trim now? You know, sister, you want trim?
Hey, like me come in crime. Street. And I never come find you. Long time I don't see you.
Oh, that's so nice, you know.
True, man.
Why for me, I don't eat
So, mosquito them.
Go nice.
Okay.
Mosquito and too much nice over there. Auntie, what you look for? Everyone wants someone to big man now.
Oh gosh, you know, easy, you know. She's full of fun, though.
Place that they want to clean up. Sorry about that there.
Sorry.
Recently, I set up back place. I buy up some things down. So it kind of run down what we just do. But
It's alright, you'll get there. At least you know it's difficult.
but so we are trying people, you know, so I don't know.
Who's that?
My big brother, that man. You know why about them man? Like,
I never did.
I great one of the day that you look on right there, so.
One a day?
Yeah, man.
Well, no call him one a day.
Police man, force man. Yeah, man.
Oh.
Believe, yeah, man. People put them on there, see them on there. That's why no boy no trouble me around there, so. Believe.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Well, me see the resemblance still.
Brother, big brother, man. Yeah, man. Anyway, crime a go on, and then can't cool it down. Then call them a man.
Oh.
No people don't know, say, I have a better work when I force.
Okay.
Yeah, man, see that now.
Me really do see the resemblance.
Yeah, man, I'm a big brother, man. Them man there.
This look like when he was much younger.
Yeah, when he was younger, this long time. This a from me, I was about 17. He never joined the force them time yet. Church him where I come from.
Oh, okay.
But no say them youth that never come more than. But boy, he used to go to church more than me still and thing. I just saw me look kind of street and everything. But the man that ever live up as it. And now them man that they in the force and deal with them things certain way. You see, because them man in a love, good lumps in the front morning, you know. You see it, so. My big brother this, you know. They finish with this?
Yeah.
Watch out now. I'll show you. You see this man, eh? Someone motivate me, that's why I want to start a family with you. You see it, because someone having family, you know, I'm sure you. Someone having family, you see it? Nice family.
Okay.
My two niece them there. Renee and Trisha. You see it?
Okay.
Yeah, one of my little niece them there, man. That's why I don't know. Really want to start a family one day still, you know? Because really and truly still, you know, me plan to say I got first him, you know. But he ain't no first me. So you just look so.
Oh.
You just look so kid. Come on.
It's all good. All right, man.
Sure, come on. We'll go back out then. You want something? You want something else to do?
No, I'm good.
Sure, you're good in it.
I'm good.
So Uncle Clive, where are you going? You're easy, you know, not going to them, man.
I think I'm ready now because it's a lot of mosquitoes out here.
You just come?
Yeah, I'll probably swing by sometime in the week or so. A lot of mosquitoes out here. So.
I'm going to make up so much nice. No country girl and I must can't take mosquito bite.
You know the effect of getting a mosquito bite? So one bite me here so and it scratch.
So one can make up so much nice in my place.
She's alright.
Forever,
Oh. Auntie, bye. Alright.
Soon father.
Bye.
Uncle, I'm soon father, eh?
Oh God, I feel sick. This can't be combination. Combination.
Shauna! 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 Girl, what's wrong? What's wrong? You have me worried, you know.
Inside.
What's happening? What's wrong, girl? Who died? Who died? What's wrong, Shauna? What's happening? Oh my God. What's wrong? Shauna.
Tanisha,
What's happening?
I'm done.
What's happening?
I'm done.
No. What's happening? What's happening?
It's a very long story.
Oh my God.
It's a long story.
Girl. What's wrong, Shauna? You have me scared. What's wrong?
Okay. I must tell you that you've been a very great friend to me.
Of course.
I love you. I love you with everything in me. You've been my only friend. But Tanisha, I have messed up. I have messed up big time.
What's wrong? We can get through this. There's nothing too hard for us to get through. Come on. Talk to me. Okay.
Alright, so the other day, I met this guy. His name is Ricardo. You know, because I'm here during the daytime and I'm lonely, I'm depressed, and Omar is not here. So, I mean, I honestly, I got carried away.
Oh no.
So I saw you when I brought Kelly to school. I was on my way back. I had a flat tire and he helped me. So, you know, conversation-wise, he was very nice. And he took my number. He called me. We went for a drink. And then it ended up, like, we ended up making out.
Oh no. I'm so sorry. Oh no,
But then I was like, I felt bad at first. I was like, it's just a one night stand. But then Omar is not here and he's been away for more than
forever.
Oh God.
Oh.
So it's like that one night stand that I had, it led to another night stand, to another night stand, to another night stand, until into the daytime, and you know, it became on a regular.
Yeah.
Tanisha, I feel very bad. I feel very bad, and now now I get caught up because, please, I know you're my friend. Don't judge me, please. I really got carried away. Oh my God. But the thing is, though, Tanisha, the thing is, I know I've messed up, but this is it. I'm pregnant, and I know it's Ricardo's child because Omar is not here. So no, I really don't know. But you know what? That's not even the worst part of it. And I've been holding on to this for a while, which is crazy. Ricardo, I mean, as I said, we've been doing a one night stand, but then I went to his house. When I was there, it's like he's got some pictures, and on the wall I saw a picture of him and Omar. I was astonished because I was like, you know each other, but I didn't say it to him. And I mean, I ignored it for a while, but then I was like, how do I ask him? Like, I was like, oh, it was bothering me, and I was like, you know what? Let me just brave up and ask him. And I said to him, that guy face look familiar. Who is it to you? And you know what he told me?
They're cousins?
They're brothers.
What? Girl, what?
They are brothers. That guy Ricardo and Omar, they are brothers. But to add to that,
oh no.
God, why me? Why me? Why me? Why me? God, why me? I'm not gonna cry anymore. I'm not gonna cry anymore.
Girl, let it out. We have to.
I'm not gonna cry anymore, Tanisha. I'm not. I am strong and I will get through this. But I must tell you, Ricardo told me everything about Omar. He showed me pictures. He went from they were kids growing up. No. The super sad part. Omar have a family in St. Thomas.
Girl, what?
Omar's got a family in St. Thomas. He specifically said that was his favorite brother. He's married, happily married, with 2 kids.
Wait, what?
He's happily married with 2 kids. I was so shocked. I was so shocked. And he showed me the pictures.
Of the kids?
Yeah. And they are exactly as how Kaylee looked. They all look alike.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
I'm wondering, like, I started pinching myself. I'm like, and Ricardo was like, what's happening? And I said, oh, it's nothing.
This can't be for real.
And then Ricardo was like, what's happening? I was like, I'm fine,
Oh my God.
I'm fine. But then I started thinking to myself that, how could this be, And I was like, I've messed up big time, but he played me.
Yes, what he did was outrageous.
He played me.
All this time you're here, you were literally being faithful.
Until he started not coming around, not paying me any attention.
Oh my God.
It's like,
Oh my God, girl, I need something to drink.
oh, you want something to drink?
Mm-hmm.
I have it. Stir yourself. I have it. It's in the kitchen.
Oh my God.
Shauna, you are strong. You're strong and you will get through this.
Girl, cheer up. We're gonna do this, all right? We are gonna do this. We've been doing it, so we're gonna get through this.
Thank you so much, Tanisha. I appreciate you, and I will always love you as my friend.
I love
Thank
you
you
too.
so much.
I love you too, girl. We're gonna get through this, all right?
Thank you.
What a day off. Oh my God.
You should be here with me today all day.
I'm gonna, I had like 2 things to do in the town, and then I'm gonna come back. Gonna make
I
you
will come with you.
even better. And I can cook for you, and we play some music and...
Okay. Let me get dressed. I'm gonna get dressed.
All right.
Come show me what to wear.
Of course, girl.
Shauna. Shauna. Go on.
What's up?
I'm there, man.
Fine.
No, they come to stay and I'm make that clear.
Hmm?
And I come to stay.
Why you mean you don't come to stay?
I have my reason. Where the baby?
She's sleeping.
Oh.
You want to sit?
No, I'm good. I'm just saying so more. I just come to talk to you. Quick and fast.
Okay. But can we at least sit down and talk?
No, I don't really want to sit down. I don't really want to sit
What do you want to talk about?
Shauna, that bother me now. I never say nothing. What bother me saying I like it. Like,
What is bothering you? Us?
yeah. And?
But it shouldn't be bothering you. We already break it off.
And?
It's still us.
Yeah.
You and I and our baby.
Yeah, but I mean, like, in the beginning, we never knew. Say it was a situation like this. Because when I dream to do them things to my brother. I never dream to them things to my brother. Never.
So, do you think I purpose to do this?
No, I'm not going to say a purpose to do it. Me not. None of it never.
Ricardo, remember, it's not something that I knew of. So, why are you here trying to make it seem as if I'm a bad person?
No, where you get that from? No, I don't want you to look on it that way. All right, look. But just I say, you know, sit well with me. And it, honestly, my conscience can't lay down. My conscience just bother me. I can't tell my sister them, I can't tell my mother, I can't tell nobody.
Right, because it's our little secret.
But it's a secret like this. It does, my head and, when something I search, I want like a loophole to come out. That's what it seems like.
So what?
Beat me up inside, believe me.
So basically, what 2 people know is no secret. Or is it that you want to go about telling people about what happened?
No. All right. You see, the thing about it, and I don't want to go ahead and tell people, you know, because...
Okay, I'm listening. Go ahead, tell me.
Yeah.
What about it?
I like more and go tell people, but you have to understand. I can't sleep at night time. You know, most of my brother, I love my brother, you know. A fireman them when I come from, we see it out of one plate, sleep on one like a sponge.
So, Ricardo, you don't think I love your brother too? But look at what happened.
No, but you can't love it. You can't love both of it. You say you love me, you can't love my brother as well.
Ricardo,
I mean, love my brother, but no.
Ricardo,
It's sad enough. It's sad.
I get that. I get that, and as I said, we are already over that part. We're no longer be going about doing stuff that we shouldn't be doing.
Right. But I'm saying, Mama just got to the point. But I think you should have carried the baby, believe me. I don't really want to sound like wicked. I don't want
Seriously?
Trust me, I don't really want... I don't want to hurt your feelings, you see it, and...
Seriously, Ricardo?
But I think...
I don't... Listen, get rid of that thought. I already have a plan, and I know it's a master plan. I'm already in the process of trying to get your brother down here so that we can make out. Remember, you guys are brothers, and your brother is by your father's side. So if he gets the child, it wouldn't really make a difference.
So you mentioned brother by your father's side. That's still my brother, you know?
I know. So with that being said, with the fact that I will bring the child, I will give the child to Omar, even though it's going to be your child, you can still come around, you can still be around the baby as an uncle.
As an uncle and as a father?
Omar, stop.
Matter of fact, my little niece, not supposed to be my stepdaughter.
She's not your stepdaughter. We're over that now. But I get what you're saying. Oh, Kaylee and this child that I'm carrying, they're going to be cousins and they're going to be sisters, or sisters and brothers, or two sisters, or whatever. I'm not even thinking about that, Ricardo.
All right, listen what I say. I don't want you to feel now, yeah? I try my very, very best to make you feel now, right? Because it's over there in one dilemma right now. And I never signed up for this, I never planned for this. Things happen, but if I did somebody else, I would feel so about my brother. I can't do it, honestly. I can't do it. So, let me just get to the point. Now go tell him what going.
Ricardo,
Tell him what.
are you insane? Are you crazy? You want to drive me nuts? You can't do that.
What this a situation I look like?
Ricardo, you cannot do that no matter what. You can't. I'm not ready to lose my life. I'm not ready to lose my child. I'm not ready for this.
All right. I don't want to be selfish, and I don't want you to be selfish either. Because you say you don't want to lose your life. What if my brother find out? A whole heap of brother kill him brother, you know?
How is he going to find out when only you and I know about this?
A whole heap of things there that can come to light. Even though I really got nothing to worry about.
Stop. Omar cannot know about this, Ricardo.
And that's my problem because it go beat me, and that's like every time I see my brother. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know how this boy, never dream of this. But I just want you to hear me now. Please.
Ricardo?
You know, sit well with me.
No matter what you do not say this to Omar. Please. Remember that he is a cop. Remember that. And I know that Omar loves me. And even though he is your brother, think about you as well.
But remember
that he's not afraid to do certain things. Remember that he is your brother and he is my husband.
Yeah, boy, but You're rough. I'm not telling you that, yo. You see the thing about it. If him do find out, him can't blame me that much. Because I never know about his family here. I know about him family in Portland.
Here you are.
No.
Here you are, Ricardo. What do I do? I am left in this situation. What do I do?
All right.
I mean, if I go and I do an abortion, Ricardo, how can I live with that? You know what? I just think I may need to think about it. And I want you to think about it too. Ricardo, I really do love Amara, and even though you show me all the stuff that he's got another family home in St. Thomas, I mean.
And I like say me did, and I like inform upon him.
I know.
It's just that me just a try show yourself. I never know about him family here, so he never tell me that. You understand? So, I mean, you can blame me, but you can't really blame me.
I mean, Ricardo, I don't know. I honestly don't know where to start because right now I don't even know how I'm going to confront him about his family that he's got in St. Thomas. Like, I just don't know.
Hold on. So who you gonna tell him to tell you that? Who you gonna tell him?
Who do you want me to tell him to tell me? Who told me?
You see it? A two-way, I mean, a problem, you know.
So let's keep it as a secret then. I won't say anything to him, you don't say anything to him.
What I love, you know, but I'm not confused, like, but I love you can keep that a secret, you know, but...
Ricardo.
Well, I know, but, I mean, if it was somebody else and not my brother, you understand? Oh, my brother, oh, my brother, I love so much. Well, I don't know, anybody can do that and keep them secret there. And be a face with this, so. Have dog heart, believe me. I'm not grow them way there.
Neither do I.
So it's just that I don't really want to hurt nobody, you see it? I don't want to hurt you either. See it? Trust me, I understand. Even though I suggest that you do the abortion, I just don't want to hurt you either. But you know, everybody just want to be between a rock and a hard space right now. But I'll take some time and think about it. Alright, yo. Just take 3 days. Let us take 3 days and think about it. Alright? Come up with a solution. What we are gonna do, alright?
Let's take 2 weeks.
2 weeks?
Please.
Alright.
And Ricardo.
Mm-hmm.
Promise me that you're not going to say anything to Omar. Please.
I'm gonna tell her that kind of hard, you know, but you try. Right?
We've gone 2 weeks. Keep it that way. Please.
You try. Later.
Okay.
Back it up.
Mommy, don't cry.
Sorry, baby.
I'm taller than you. No, I'm tall. I can fly. I can do anything that I need. Huh. You can do that. What? Ha. Ah. 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 What are you doing? Nothing. Ouch. Like this. Oh. Good thing I have blanket. And I can spread out. I just need my bed. My own bed. Oh, here's it. And I'm going to rub up. Just like this.
Our teacher did call me the other day and tell me that she's doing excellent.
That's nice.
You know? Yeah, and then she sent some words for her to study. And I'm telling her she's doing good so far.
I'm so proud of you.
Because I know she has a spelling bee coming up at the end of the month. So I have to make sure that I'm on par with her, you know?
Of course, girl. And we know she's going to do it good.
Even though, you know, despite all of what's happening, you know, I just try to stay positive, stay focused, and help her, you know?
Yeah.
As even Ricardo came by the other night, and
what's up with him?
He's basically telling me that he wants to tell Omar.
Why?
I'm like, are you crazy? Girl, like, I literally cried.
Oh, gosh.
I cried that night.
That's not his place, though.
I'm like, you can't. Like, I literally begged him. I was like, listen, you can't. Just imagine him telling Omar all of this.
I know, right? So what did he say?
He said, I should take 3 days to think about it, think about what I want to do. So I said, listen, let's take 2 weeks. So basically, I'm just in the process of thinking out loud what I'm going to be doing, you know, because as you know, it really tears me.
Yes, for real.
And it's really killing me inside, and you know, I really don't know. I really don't know what I'm going to be doing.
We're gonna figure it out, though, and I'm certain about that. And I mean, I don't think you should let this get the best of you, because, you know, girl.
I'm really trying to put it all behind me, and I'm not going to lie, I'm really into him. Like,
okay.
Even though I found out that he's Omar's brother, like,
I mean, Omar is our family, so who knows?
Being with him, like, Tanisha, it's been some memorable moments. I mean, it's like, I don't know. I don't know. Like, it's really hard to even get over all the stuff that we've been doing together.
So how does he feel about this?
Technically, I know it tears him up, but he's more concerned about Omar.
Telling Omar.
You know, because, I mean, he's saying that, listen, this is my brother, and I don't know how I'm going to live with this, and, you know, he wants me to abort the child, and that's not something that I want to do.
No, that's not an option.
So I don't know. I'm still thinking about it. I don't know. And I know you don't want me to abort it. I don't know. I don't want to do it either.
That's not an option, girl.
I mean, Tanisha, despite all of this, it's very depressing. It's hard.
Yeah.
But sometimes just a moment with him together, like I really do smile. He really puts a huge smile on my face. Sometimes I'm here and I'm lonely. You know, Omar is not here. It's like he hardly have any time for me. You know, despite work, and I mean to know that he's got another family in St. Thomas. I do think about it, but I'm fully focused on the situation that I'm in now. You know? It's really I'm not even going to try to think hard on it, because whenever I really do deep thinking about it, it
makes you sad and all
it hurts me.
Right.
And I really don't want to be going down into depression at this time.
I don't want you to either. That's why we're gonna have fun in this whole journey. Although we don't know where it's taking us, but we're gonna have fun, trust me.
Thank you so much, girl, for being here.
Welcome.
From the drill. Like drill. Oh, here's a muddy. Ow. Why don't we do this? Mess that. Yeah. My footprint. We're falling. We never take that. I'm cold. I'm the truth. I'm getting sick. I do with this shape. Wow, that would take you. Well, that way in the house. I get everything that I need. I can sit anywhere watching you.
Yo, I don't like them style, you know, them bicycle style, you know. They're fool and take with, you know. When we are going to get in car, them, one car for drive. Hey, stop that taxi there. Stop that taxi there. Whoa, yes. Pull over, man. Pull over, man. Eh?
Yes, officer.
Oh, sir, switch off the engine for me now. Whoa, wait. How much spin it? 5 in the front. Eh?
You can't give me a blight, officer.
Blight?
Give me a chance, man.
Chance?
You know, so me have fit me to go to school too.
Listen to me. Me don't want to hear that. Let me see some papers. Let me see some papers.
Me not get the road license, man. Me look about the road license.
Road license, first thing first, you drive this taxi, you breach the limit. How much passenger you're supposed to have in the car. You don't have no taxi sign on the top. You don't have no PPV plate pan. You go down to them, man.
So we can't work out something?
Work out something? No, sir. And you're on all the wrong route.
Officer, nothing now go on.
You know, not bad about to me, man. You don't respect police, man.
Yes, sir, my boss. I can't talk to him.
Yeah, man, sir. Give him one ticket there. Give him one very hefty ticket. Yeah?
Well, I, sir.
First thing first, me I see this car today, you know. For them, the picnic they have 5, somebody we have in the front of the car, now. Me I see this car today, you know.
I'm going to renew the license, man.
Come out of the car. This car now move France. This car now move France. Give a blind, you must be mad. Hey, oi, come out there for me. Hey, you don't make no taxi man carry no car with so much on no. No insurance, they cover no. Hold on there. Make I get another car put on you know. Hold on there, this is where you come from. Where you go? Come over here, sir. Hold on, let me get this. Where you going, man?
Yes, sir.
Where you going, mate?
I'm there, easy, sir.
You good?
Yeah, man, I'm good, man.
Yeah, man, remember say, me have a little thing. Look more, you know.
Yeah.
So I want the car.
Yeah.
See? That the boy there. Me I carry him down.
So, my boss, you can't be nothing for me.
If I me one day out here,
Anything you can do for me.
alright, listen. If I me one day out here, but I let you go, you know. But
What that the man enough to know?
the man don't take no talk. When it comes to woman, he don't take talk. When it comes to nothing else,
Watch on the man. Watch it. Me have a toes.
where I go with that? You have to take out something else, you know.
Where you saying passenger there? They, me don't want them on the road. So just carry them go both bay for me.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
Just carry them go down there and then. But as I say carry the car, I'm deal with this.
Yeah.
Because me, you forget a piece of food off of today.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, that me have, my boss. I 200 of me have them. See there? 2 minutes left me have.
You don't respect police.
I no respect police, but nothing now go on the road, my boss. You see it? Respect here.
No, where I go? You don't have no money?
No, me not.
No, man, you have to take out something.
See
Man.
that?
More buy a juice, no?
My broke, man. My broke. Me not. Give me a blind.
Wanna come? Just drop them down there for me, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, don't have to pay now. Don't have to bother pay no for it. But as I say, next time you don't make no taxi man put so much on in one car front, because if nothing happen to you, no insurance not there to cover you. It's only one passenger can hold in at the front of the car. Alright? Alright, take care. Metro.
Yeah.
Do what you do, yeah?
Alright.
Yeah, man, remember, you know, look how much I want the car.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, listen to me now. Me let you go, you know. Not even say me I'm gonna let you go. Me talk to me squad over there, so. Alright, listen to me. I changed $1,000 for the ticket here, you know. I may drop it down to 15.
Are you what going on now? Zane? It's because you drive this car without a PPV red plate, and you drive without a taxi sign on the top of your car for sure, so you run taxi, and you all up on the wrong route.
You know, say straight me, I try straight up the car door. Believe.
Sir, I'm a good man. I'm a good Samaritan. Me see him before enough, and he always a carry picking in my school. So I talk to him a little bit. We take a vehicle and we charge him on $15,000. What do you think, bossy?
$15,000, a little bit of money that man. This are more than that, man.
No, man, we can't.
$15,000? Eh?
You know, I no money for him, man. You know, time hard, you know. We can't. We are police, you know, so we have to make sure it's everybody all right in the streets.
Come on. So on, you get nothing from him?
No, man. We don't get no money.
We can't do that then, man. This embarrass yourself.
But
watch out, man. This have to go down to them, man. Just call.
Me apply, my boss.
Apply.
Please, my boss.
Sarge,
Anything at all.
Sarge, we don't have to take no.
I'm a school, no, my boss.
Give me.
We can't take his license in car and charge him one ticket.
A 7 baby mother me having 2 picnic a piece, you know, and 14 picnic for mine with 1 taxi, my boss.
7 baby mother, you have. Me I take care of all of them?
All of them. 2 a piece, a 14 picnic me get.
With 1 taxi?
Yes. It's hard, you know.
No bother ball to me, man.
Anything, my boss.
Well, you hear what me do?
Talk him already, me can't do it up here.
You hear me out? It's because my shift done. And a bicycle, them I give you Friday now. I don't take no check out, so then I know dose up with you. I mean, I wait for now. Every time I call control, them take too long to send in the car, them to come get with. So I just let you. But get your things sorted out.
Yes, man.
You understand? You listen to me, man. You cap people.
You sure you can't charge him a ticket?
No, man. Make him go on, man. Just be cap people. Be more responsible. And take time drive on the road. You understand? The next time you see it, I not let you have so easy, you know. But you say you have 7 baby mother and a 3 me have, so me understand. Do you do?
Pressure in my boss.
But me still not get the match. Me still not get the match of how you mind 7 of them with 1 taxi. Alright, just take care of yourself and do
Respect my boss.
Because me still not get
take care of my boss. Respect, yeah?
The next time you say, man, you have to piece of money.
Yes, man.
So my boss, you not give me the key. Oh, give me this for me.
Respect our manners, here, my boss.
You sure
Respect.
you sure say no?
Nah, nothing at all, my boss. Nothing no there. Me hear everything, man. Fool them quick taxi man fine now.
Sarge, you know say them taxi man you forget lock up though.
Watch out, man, sometimes you have to just let them alone now. You understand?
Man, no money for give me.
It done embarrassing enough already why they give you the bicycle for ride. Eh?
But at least it's comfortable though.
You think we can run down criminal and ride bicycle?
Ricardo, I know that it's 2 weeks and I know that's why you're here. So, what do you decide to do? What's the plan? Why you laughing, Ricardo?
You are laugh. Oh boy. All right. Yeah, you know. But
I know it's a tough one, Ricardo.
I'm not gonna tell him how I go and see it.
Thank you so much.
So make it sound.
You decide not to tell him.
I don't feel like I should have thanked me. I just feel more guilty when I thank me, you know. You know, I just, honestly, I don't even know if I guilt or I don't know, but I just feel a way what I said.
I don't want you to feel guilty, and I'm not saying thank you for you to feel guilty. I'm saying thank you just to let you know that I appreciate the fact that you decide not to tell Omar what's happening with us.
Yes.
Understand? Because if you tell him all of that, it's going to be crazy. I'm telling you. The relationship with you and Omar, it will go.
I'm saying no. What am I saying?
Under the mat, like.
So what if it was the other way around?
I'm not even going to think about it. Okay, being that I said thank you.
So you wouldn't.
And you're saying that you feel guilty. Ricardo?
But I really want to hug for that need, you know, believe me.
Stop.
All right, this is what I say. On a serious note, what if when they decide to tell him?
I'm not even going to think about it, Ricardo, because I wasn't thinking that you're going to be telling him anything. I just knew a smart guy like you would definitely not think about telling Omar.
I'm smart. I know I'm smart.
Of course you're a smart one.
Yes, sir.
Just think about the consequences. Think about one's life, my life. What do you think? Everything will be shattered.
You know what I say? Stick up in there. Or does it feel so comfortable? Feel like I'll drop asleep.
You can fall asleep.
Me?
Yes.
You're serious? If you drop asleep like this?
Yes.
Again? Not again.
So, with that being said, you won't tell him. I get to keep my baby, our baby. So, being that, because as we know, he is often not here. So what I will do, because he should be coming down. Well, he said that he was planning on coming down this week. but he wasn't sure. And as you know, I'm not expecting him because he always called to say, oh, the superintendent do this or the superintendent says that, and he has to manage his team and all of that. So I know he's not going to be coming soon, but I'm still going to try to persuade him to come. And when he comes, we're going to have our showdown. And then...
Listen what I say. I don't want to get another plan there.
No, not plan, but I'm just telling you what I am planning on doing.
I don't want to get another plan there.
I mean, I'm just thinking about it and see how I can actually execute the plan that I have so that it doesn't seem off or seems odd that I am pregnant. You understand? If he doesn't come by this week, I may have to find him.
Boy.
Yes, I may just have to find him in St. Thomas on this weekend.
You know, I can say something to you. But I just put myself in my brother's shoes and I say, why?
Ricardo, why would you want to fit in Omar's shoes?
No, but
you both have different sizes.
Listen what I say, man. Please, listen what I say. But I say, what if it was the other way around, you know what I mean? Or me would I feel?
Ricardo, stop thinking about what if. You're literally putting me like in postpartum depression mode right now.
Sorry about
and
that.
I should not.
No, why you feel like that. But you have to understand, sir. All of us stress right now. Both of us stress. And you know what? I'm not about to tell him and I could leave it here, sir.
Awesome.
And guess what? I'm in a double trouble, you know.
Ricardo, you keep saying you're in double trouble. You're not in any double trouble.
No, I'm not going to tell him.
Right.
Listen,
remember that Omar has a family back in St. Thomas, you know?
But that me I try to tell you, say, me in a double trouble. You, or the one trouble you in right now. Right?
You're not in any trouble. I am not in any trouble, Ricardo.
Remember, say, and me, what's the man's secret, say? Man of family.
Ricardo, you did not tell me anything, so don't even think about it.
Yes, I that more.
You didn't tell me anything.
Right.
Remember that I am here and I am pregnant for you. Now, with that being said, I will have to find a way to get you here. Right? So I may have to come because remember, Omar never introduced you to me as his brother or anything. So, I may just need to try to bring that up or something so that he can actually, or probably when he is here, I can just call and tell him, hey, call him and, and you guys can talk or something and then I may have to question him about it and then we'll take it from there.
I don't feel like I want to come here when my brother is here, believe me. You can't go looking at him face.
But yes, you don't want to come here when he is here, but yet still, remember I'm carrying your baby and you're going to have to be around regardless. So sometimes when he is here, you can be here as well. Or even when I have...
Can I say something to you?
Go ahead, Ricardo.
Easy to say that, Easier said than done.
It's easy to be done.
Easy to be done?
Of course.
My gosh, no, I'm not good, sir. I'm not good them the way there.
Okay, you're not good that way. Work with me. If you work with me, you'll be fine.
If me work with you...
Yes, you'll be fine.
Me will be... No, sir. Me have to work the way or me can feel better in myself. You understand? Not saying that I nah regard you or your feelings or whatever, but boy, it's not easy. No, all right, look.
I know it's a tough one.
I'm sure of something. You know what I want you to do? That's why I mentioned that earlier. That's why I'm telling you I'm in double trouble. All right, put it this way. I never want to inform my brother, right? Mm-hmm. Say I have another family up, so.
But you didn't technically
give me a time. But just try to show you, I never know, say. You have a family down this side, I only know about the one in St. Thomas. That is the only reason why you know that, you know. Because even though they're not a predicament, right? If me did ever know, say, you never know about in other family. Would I hold that?
Yes, but remember.
Me, I be honest to you.
Remember, I asked you who. I saw the picture, and then I asked you who he was. So when I said, "Who is that guy?" Like you said, "Oh, it's a brother," or whatever, and this is his kids and all of that. And I mean, I don't even want to talk about it, but yes. But Ricardo, away with that now.
Yes, all right, that is so true.
Let's just be fully focused on us or baby.
See, please. Now use what I tell you say, against him. Now, please, because guess what? Hold on. All of us, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Well, what are we wrong right now? No? You wrong, me wrong, and him in one wrong too, you know. So all of we there in one wrong right now. No?
Mm-hmm.
See? So, as I say.
Yeah, but at the end of the day, Ricardo, I would be the one to be fully blamed because remember, you don't know that I am Omar's wife. Yeah, so it's not a case where you are at fault. If anybody who would be at fault, it would be me who allowed you to lead me on. So come on.
I am at fault as well because remember, I me a plan now, so I'm going to tell him. Right? And remember, I did find out some my brother, and then still.
But you're doing it for me, Ricardo.
I do it for you, yes. And I do it for peace sake too. And I do it because, guess what? My brother love me, you know, but remember, you know, when a man angry, you know, remember I say, man have him gun, you know. When a man angry, you know, you understand? So I say, make it boil off, not no last, not stay in the dark forever, you know. So, but make it come out in a light down the line. No in a heat right now.
Okay, so if that's what you decide to do, then it's okay.
That's how I go on.
Yeah. No worries. I just know that I need to do it and get over it.
Cartoon. No, I'm not watching anything there. No, you know what?
Tell the mic.
You know, say me don't like me, no.
No, man, no matter. Them all. Let's see.
Ready, Katie?
Okay, hold on, not yet, not yet. Ready.
Come on, boss. I can't have enough for me.
Really? Where? I hope nobody died. Welcome home.
Yes. They got it. Just take it. Guys. I'm just gonna.
Andy. No.
Check.
Let's see how close I can change that now.
Check.
Yeah.
Alright, you hear me now? You're not dead. Good?
No boss. Very hard. So I go on it.
I am good. Welcome home.
Yeah. Baby, miss you, man. I tell you, I'm tired, man. Piece of driving. Come now.
Okay, cuz.
Hey, look, sir.
What do you mean home looks so? I mean, I wanted to go inside, shower, and I have a treat for you.
See, man, come to say I get fat too, you know. And the nose kind of like come out.
Babe, stop. What are you trying to imply?
But I imply that, man, but
Go
there,
freshen
back up
up.
here.
Yes.
Yeah. Watch this, rigging up my hand. Oh, but you hang up, super. Yes, babes. Where I say now?
Well,
Listen,
I'm
bro,
here to on the phone.
I soup, man. Bro, God.
So you have to go where on this to go talk to you, so?
I pitting them and make nice. Hey, so I'm there on the phone enough to make no nice, you know.
They're not for you pitting them, they're not for make nice.
No, I'm kicking up on that. I'm supposed to be at work, babes.
But no, man, I must make you have to go where on this to go talk to you, so, man.
No, man, I'm undercover. I'm there. Ready now? I'm not ready yet. Yeah, go on freestyle. Like, is it my legs? I look good, man.